And here before us are the ingredients. Hey, I'm telling you, you're going to enjoy Binyewa today. The tomatoes. Okay, they are thickened very well. Our Binyewa is finally here. I can't wait. Moment of truth. I believe it tastes good. Oh, I wish you were here to taste it. Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make Ugandan Binyewa from scratch. And here before us are the ingredients. We have the peanuts. It's not processed yet, but we are going to process that very soon. And then we have the tomatoes, just 1 tin of tomatoes. We have 3 onions, 2 medium and 1 small. We have cooking oil for, of course, frying the onions. And then we have the salt, 1 tablespoon and a half, and also the curry powder, 1 tablespoon, and we have black pepper to season with, about a teaspoon. Now, just something I want to let you people know. While I was growing up, we just actually didn't have to use, because peanut is already quite oily. It has got a lot of fat in it. So I remember how my mom used to do it. We used to cut up the onions and actually just pound them up, mash them up, and just add it in the Binyewa sauce. Even just add the curry powder there, add the salt, and just cook. And it used to come out. In fact, we never even used to add tomatoes. We just add the onions, the curry powder, the salt, and it would still come out nicely. But actually, for me, the way I've been enjoying it in the UK, I use at least some tomatoes, and then I fry the onions in a little bit of cooking oil. So, thank you. Right now, I'm going to start processing this. This actually is 1 kilogram. It looks like more than a kilo, but it's actually 1 kilogram. But you cannot add everything. So, I'm going to add probably maybe about 300, and then see what happens. There, maybe a little bit more. And just put this there. Then, because we want to process it for a while, okay, I've stopped it because I want to, mix a bit, make sure that it processes evenly. So, it's actually almost ready. Oh my goodness, this is a game changer. Yay. Wow, guys, you're going to save a lot of money by just buying your own. You may spend a bit of money buying the processor, but in the end, you're going to save a lot of money. To be going all the way to Uganda, to pack our boxes with Binyewa powder. No, not anymore. Now, I grind a little bit more, but I want it to be very fine. And then, it's nearly done. I just do it a little bit more. Stop it. It is done. It is done. Guys, it is done. Let me just put it there. Then take this out. Actually, yeah, I take it out like this. Because, yeah. Can you see? This is just, and it is fine. It's finely done, guys. It is finely done. Hey, I'm telling you, we are going to enjoy Binyewa today. Making Binyewa, Ugandan Binyewa from scratch. This is what I'm talking about. What are we talking about? Yeah? Very fine, guys. Very fine. Look, very fine. This is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. That's already done. Put it there. I'm just going to make extra. I'm not going to cook everything, but I just want to make a bit extra so that I can pack it away for another day. So I'm going to do all of this now. So actually, it can take half a kilo at a time. Don't put a whole 1 kilogram. I think it will be too much. Just put half a kilogram. That's enough. Okay? Now we cover. Hey, Amuna Food Factory. Hey, there we go. Yeah, all done. Can you imagine, guys, that this is actually 1 kilogram? These are all of these. You know, that peanut was just like half. Now it is almost full. 1 kilogram. Hey, oh my goodness, this is beautiful. So guys, we are starting now making our binyewa, but I'm just going to start cutting the onions. Roughly chopped, it doesn't have to be so finely chopped. We just turn our fire on now. Because I'm going to make it for a fairly large family, I'm using a large saucepan. Yeah, because binyewa tends to squirt a lot as well when it is cooking, so the bigger the saucepan, I think the better for me anyway. Now, just going to add my cooking oil. Not much, you can see very little. It's very little, because you know, binyewa, peanut, you all know it has a lot of fat already in it. Yeah? Okay, you just mix it a bit and leave it to brown. Then we can start adding other things. So our onion is now golden brown, you can see. So I'm just going to add the curry powder. Yeah, like that. Mix. When you add curry powder, don't take too long to add the tomatoes. Now, with the tomatoes added, you can add a little bit of water as well, you know, a little bit of water. Then, in fact, we can actually add the rest of the ingredients. It doesn't matter. You can add that, and the salt can go in as well, it doesn't matter. Now, we are going to cook the tomato to a nice sauce, probably for about 10 minutes. About 10 minutes. Until it thickens a little, then we can add our binyewa sauce. Okay, while our tomatoes is cooking, we just add the water. That's 1 cup there. Yeah? Just mix it up. You know, making it ready. You know, as simple as that. That was about 2.5 cups, because this other cup is bigger. And just leave it now there. Once the tomato is well cooked, we just add it in the sauce. Then Okay, our tomatoes are thickened very well. So now we are going to add our Binyewa sauce. Yeah. Right up there. So we have added our Binyewa sauce now in the tomatoes, which are thickened very well, and I'm just going to rinse it a little and add the water there. Mix it well. Oh guys, the smell is so lovely. I can't wait. Don't let it be too thick. I think I'm going to add a little bit more water there. Because as it cooks, it thickens as well. Mix. Now you just cover it and allow it to, you bring it to the boil. When it starts bubbling, you mix again. Keep on checking because certain saucepans can actually burn Binyewa. Binyewa tends to stick to the bottom of the pan very easily. So you must keep on checking to make sure that the Binyewa is cooking well. If the fire is too high, reduce the temperature so that they cook well. While the Binyewa is cooking, you can peel your potatoes, sweet potatoes, And for some of you who have already watched our video, we have got actually a video on how to make, Uganda sweet potatoes. So if you go to Amuna Food, your YouTube channel, you should be able to find it there. We have already done sweet potato, but this one, because Binyewa always goes with sweet potato, that's why we are making this sweet potato. Now we are going to cut the cabbage. The best thing to do is just so we rinse our cabbage. Check our Binyewa now. You see, usually when it's actually nearly done like this, you can see the oil comes on top. That's also one of the ways you can tell that your Binyewa actually can now be eaten. So, Binyewa really takes about 25 to 30 minutes maximum. Guys, we are going to check out Binyewa now. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. You see? See the tomatoes, the curry powder. Can you see? Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, it's not too thick and not too watery either. So I didn't add any more water. So I think that 2 cups was enough. Yeah? So we will be eating soon. We turn off that fire now. I want to check now our cabbage. I believe it is done. You can see. Yeah. Yeah, cabbage is done. And then I believe the potato also must be done. I just poke it to check. Yeah, all soft. It's done. So we are ready to serve. Alright guys, our Binyewa is finally here. Look at it. Beautiful, beautiful. Now with Binyewa, you can eat with sweet potatoes, as I mentioned before, or you can actually have it with chapati. If you like chapati. In fact, some people eat with rice. But for us, and also, oh yeah, you can actually have it with matoke. Oh my goodness, nice with matoke. But for me and my whole family, we love Binyewa with sweet potatoes. That is the best. So now, this is our meal for today. This is how it looks. Binyewa, sweet potatoes, and cabbage, steamed cabbage. I'm telling you, it's absolutely wonderful. I can't wait. I'm going to have to give it a taste. It's looking so delicious, guys. And I believe it's nice as well. Moment of truth. I believe it tastes good. Lovely. Oh, I wish you were here to taste it. It's really nice. One more. Telling you, you can't go wrong. Follow the way I did it, you can't go wrong. Bye bye for now. God bless. Mama,